Hi everyone. Today I will show you my birthday present from my mom and dad. A XP pen.
So it's an XP Pen Deco 640 drawing tablet. Okay, so let's start this unboxing.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so you got the tablet there straight away in a protective plastic wrap.
Yep.
So pull that sticker bit off there.
I don't think I took it.
And I believe that's a protective cover on there as well. Keep it here in the middle so people can see. And I think this whole thing is a sheet. That whole thing is a sheet you can pull off. So go ahead. Yeah, it's also like a protection.
5 minutes later.
And there you got your XP Pen little graphics drawing tablet. And so what's in the packet? So it seems to be the cable, the warranty policy, okay, the documentation and a quick guide there.
Yep.
Keep it there. Remember the camera? Yeah. And there you have the actual stylus, the pen,
Yes.
and
the tip.
the nibs and the nib remover. So that's a little nib remover. Those things you can keep in here because the tip on there should be brand new, so you won't need this anytime soon. So you keep that safe, and we'll keep that in this box here.
Yep.
And that, what's that? Little adapter for the USB.
Yeah.
Okay, so little adapter.
Since we already have it.
Yeah, okay, we've got an adapter plugged in there. We'll keep that safe. So let's do this.
Yep.
Unwrap this. So it's a normal plug and play.
Yes.
In other words, this Type C USB will go in the side.
Yes.
So we'll slide them in there. Yeah, it's in. Whoops. Oh, and I just knocked the camera. Okay, keep it still.
Okay.
Cable is longer than it needs to be, which is good because sometimes you actually need it very long. And now we'll plug it into this little machine here. And you see the light go on. How is it treating you now?
Good.
Okay, so let's head down to Krita while I move the camera.
Okay.
So, I've got the camera in my hand now.
Okay.
Open up Krita. Okay, there you go. So you're still getting used to the clicks.
Okay.
You go new file there.
Yeah. I did it in all this and did a Halloween thing.
Okay, so those are things you did already on here.
Yes.
With my old drawing tablet.
Yes.
So go to make a new file. I think you need to just get used to the pressure of the click. Yeah, you need to click hard. Maybe it's a sensitivity we can change, create. And just, are you on a brush tool?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's write your name. Check it out. That's easy.
Yep.
So what do you think of this tablet?
Alright.
Is it good?
Yes.
It's decent?
Yep.
Yeah, we'll keep everybody updated. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Bye.